this Tuesday afternoon, we continue to track numerous areas with very heavy rain. We've had a lot of flooding reports and even some strong winds out of a severe thunderstorm over Chatham County that did cause some trees to come down. In western Chatham County, we had a wind gust of 60 miles per hour at the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport. That storm cell no longer severe warned as it is now pushing into Beaufort County, though it is approaching Hilton Head right now in places like Sun City, Bluffton, dealing with some very heavy rain, still producing some strong wind gusts, but we are still left with a flash flood warning for Chatham County until 6:30. We will begin to see some of those levels on the roadways that have been dealing with some drainage issues kind of go down for us over the next little bit, but Viper Radar estimating that about 6 inches of rain falling in Pooler, near Pooler Parkway and I-95, so very close to the airport reporting site. That was the highest so far for today. You can see how intense those storms were as they were moving over Pooler. The lightning is indicative of a strong storm, but weakening a bit as it does move into the low country right now, but still heavy rain setting up along 278 and Hilton Head Island, so definitely watch out for that. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning off to the north for portions of Hampton County to Jasper County that will actually be expiring very soon. That strongest part of that storm cell now pushing over outside of our area more toward Walterboro and Colleton County, but northern portions of Beaufort County included in a severe thunderstorm warning until 7 o'clock. This storm cell is moving off to the east around 20 miles per hour toward US 17 right now. Wind gusts in excess of 50 or 60 miles per hour certainly possible for this. Frequent lightning, of course, heavy rain is a concern, so flooding will be an issue as this storm cell slowly moves through the low country, so be aware of that if you will be on any of the roadways, as everything is moving generally now from west to east, still producing a lot of lightning, still very intense storms in the northern parts of our area. A few more showers and a few more storms certainly possible for us, but as far as the strong storm risk, that will be going down for us over the next hour or so. As far as the rain risk, that remains with us along with the flooding risk. Any drop of rain that we do get will just help conditions to get even more saturated. So with more moisture flowing into the southeast, high rain chances remain in the forecast for the next few days. So we will keep that risk, at least a localized risk, for some flash flooding for our area. So for tomorrow morning, though, we will start off the day mainly dry for us, and as we head toward lunchtime, the clouds will begin to thicken up. Temperatures will stay in the 80s to lower 90s for highs, and then it's tomorrow afternoon when some showers and storms will begin to develop for us once again. Some of that rain will be heavy at times, more moisture will be with us, more rainfall, and more of that heavy rain setting up then for tomorrow evening as well. So definitely be aware of that, and we're going to be going into this type of pattern for the next several days, and we might even have some tropical moisture helping to enhance our rain chances once we get into the weekend. But for tonight, scattered storms continue, staying warm and humid. For tomorrow, we will make it into the upper 80s to lower 90s with those storm chances likely for us. Keep an eye on the sky if you do have any kind of outdoor plans, because those storms will develop very quickly and produce a lot of lightning and, of course, heavy downpours for us once again. For the next 7 days, it will remain unsettled for us. There is a little bit of a question as we head toward the weekend with a broad area of low pressure trying to organize just off of our coast between, say, here and Bermuda. We will be watching out for that potentially having impact on our forecast, but at this point, I think it would just be an extra rainmaker for us, not anything that we need to be concerned about right now. But with all the heavy rain we have been dealing with, every drop we get will just make things worse.
Right, it certainly will. Yeah, it's rough out there. All right, thank you for following that.
All right.